This is the bird's home. You can see it. Wow. Wow. Cage there. Wow, what a great. A parrot is there. Show it. Wait a minute, I'll see it. You can see it. You can see it. Nice bird. Nice bird. Ah, two parrots are there. These parrots are laughing, shouting. Oh, Amma! What a great man. Meko! Meko! Woo! Woo! This one's name is Rio. This one's name is Bako. This one's name is, I think, Leko or something. I forget it. Oh, they are also having one. You can see it. Only this. Oh, kaka. Cook. Lakus. Let's go. Only this, no? No any dogs. Let's go to the hotel. This is the garden. There has a Range Rover. I will show it. This is the video that I had long video because I have busy all those days. Now this is December holidays. Now I am putting these videos. Next I'll put a movie trailer. That is, the name is Warisu. The movie trailer. Go and see that also. Please subscribe me, then only you can see all my videos. Don't think I'm a kid because I am passing this leaf was for me boring. That's why. Today I have bored because today I am going home. Because today is January 2nd. That's why. Ah, my leg is burned. Amada, this car is front one. This is the basic. The hotels basically. Someone is calling me. Defender. I want to go.